Okay, if have any of you here heard of the terms like off-page SEO, backlink building, something like that? Anybody here? No one? Off-page SEO, backlink building. So,
No,
and
sir.
no, right? And few business owners treat it to be as one of the important tasks, and they hire professionals for doing the off-page activities. Okay. So basically, this off-page SEO. See, before we discuss this off-page SEO, we'll quickly recall what all did we discuss in the SEO. So we discussed on-page SEO, correct? On-page SEO, site-level SEO, and technical SEO. All this were implementations on the website itself. If you all could recall, all these implementations are on the website itself, correct? And now this off-page SEO is any activity that you don't do on your website and which is usually done outside of your website on various other websites or platforms or places. So for example, you speaking about your business on other website is an off-page activity. It's at a very broad level, it's called as off-page activity. People call it as off-page activity, which is not done on your website, but about your website done somewhere else. Are you all getting it? One simple example is, so a newspaper publishes an article about you. This is one of the fastest growing company in edtech space, or fastest company in the food manufacturing, or fastest growing company, or this is one of the best company for millets, or maybe health products or something like that. Correct? Are you all understanding this? That is one example. There are few tens of activities done outside your website, which in return might directly help your website to perform on Google, or indirectly helps your website to perform on Google, or they will play a crucial role in improving the conversion rates of your business. Conversion rates of your business, or some of your activities would generate leads for your business. Some of the activities would generate leads for your business. So, for example, conversion rate. I just spoke about the conversion rate. How does this conversion rate improve? See, if a newspaper is speaking too many positive things about you, if a news channel or a newspaper is speaking too many positive things about you, so there are good chances that people whomsoever are seeing your ad or interacting with your business recalls your credibility, senses that you are a credible business. They'll be able to sense that you are a credible business because they have heard of you. And moreover, newspapers are speaking about you, TV channels are speaking about you. So on basis of that, they make the decision to do the business with you. They would purchase it with you, right? So same way, there are few tens of activities, off-page activities. People quite often misunderstand the definition of off-page, the different kinds of activities that get covered in the off-page activities. Okay, I'll quickly walk you all through off-page activities today, and then we will discuss. Yeah. So off-page SEO activities. So I have developed a list that can be seen on Canva Digital website. I just will walk you through that list. Okay. So in this article, we are going to discuss the main objectives of implementing off-page SEOs. So there is a wrong understanding about the off-page SEO. People don't know. People have no clue why they are doing off-page SEO. People have no clue why they are doing off-page SEO. They are blindly following it since a decade, just like that. Many people are blindly following it because somebody has told them to do off-page activities and your SEO will progress. So now, instead of doing activity A, they are doing activity B and expecting the outcome that's supposed to be happening, that's supposed to be derived out of activity A. They do activity C and expect the outcome that's supposed to be coming out of activity A. They don't know, they are just mixing up different kinds of activities and they are expecting the outcome as that of activity A. Correct? See, if I'm scolding you and if I'm expecting you to praise me back or respect me back, that's not going to happen. Correct? So I have to understand what kind of activity has to be performed if I have to maintain a good relation or rapport with you. Correct? I have to speak pleasantly to you. I have to speak something that interests you. I have to speak good things to you. Correct? And now people don't have this common understanding, the basic understanding when it comes to off-page activity. They are doing it all wrongly. Okay, let's quickly go through this. Whatever is being written about the topic, I'll just read this. 90% of the marketers implement off-page activities wrongly. They do several activities without knowing why something is done. Off-page SEO activities is a broad search for content which usually would include multiple objectives, and then as a digital marketer or as a business owner, you have to make sure that what is your objective of performing an off-page activity. So it's simple, I'll simplify this. As a business owner or as a digital marketer, you have to get clarity why are you doing that activity. There are hundreds of activities done in off-page SEO. Why are you doing that activity? Getting that clarity is super important. If you by any chance blindly do some random activities, your efforts will lead you to nothing, and hence think twice before you start with the off-page SEO activities for your website. As any single wrong step you take would lead to the following loss. What is that loss? Sometimes you will see very delayed results for your business. Sometimes you will delayed results, and sometimes it's a wastage of resource such as your money, time, and efforts end up misleading your marketing teams. If you are a digital marketing manager, if you are a business owner, you will end up misleading your marketing teams. Instead of performing task A, you will assign them to perform task B, and you hope things results to happen. It don't happen. You may get into the trouble of website penalty as well. So website penalty is basically, it's not, penalty is a wrong word used, but since everybody uses it commonly, I'll tell you what is website penalty. So now basically people use this term. People tell that Google is going to penalize your website for random activities. See, Google is basically not penalizing. Google is keeping quiet. Google has faced trouble. Google will stop visiting your website. So if sorry, not Google, Googlebot, if Googlebot is not visiting your website, what happens? Your pages won't get crawled. If your pages are not getting crawled, your pages cannot be seen on Google. Correct? So people don't understand all this process the way all of us are here understanding and discussing it. They simply call it as Google has penalized your website, which is a wrong terminology is used. Okay? But since that's the terminology that you may have to use, okay? You would receive negative reviews for your business. Some of the activities might get negative reviews for your business. Your efforts may backfire, may get low quality traffic to your website. These are the outcomes or losses incurred, wrong outcomes, when you do it blindly without knowing why you are doing something in the off-page activities. And many other problems of performing wrong SEO off-page activities. Considering the above seven and more problems, I always suggest all the digital marketers I have come across to start the off-page activities with the objectives, and also I have made an effort in sharing my knowledge with you about the off-page SEO activities to help you to take your business to the next level. Here are some of the most common objectives of off-page SEO activities, and I shall be taking you through each of them and how to achieve those off-page objectives. So people, regardless of the objectives, I have also compiled the off-page SEO activities checklist for you for a quick reference, and post that we will discuss the objectives. Here are some of the activities people do in off-page activities. We will just read out this and then we will get on to the objectives. And one should go through this off-page SEO list even before they attempt to know the various objectives of the SEO activities, SEO off-page activities. So before you try to understand the objectives of off-page SEO, just try to take a look at what people are doing when they say off-page activities, off-page SEO. Okay. So guest blogging on the websites. So one of the off-page activities, you will become a guest author. Let's say there is a website called ABC, or let's say Flipkart is accepting the writers, content writers or the bloggers to come and write on their websites. You can become a guest author on their website. You can speak about the topic. You can speak about the topic, explain in detail about the topic, and you can publish on that website. This process can be automated where you only can sign up on those websites and you can publish your blog post there, or you will be sending it over email to them and they will publish it on their website. This is guest blogging activity. Anybody has any questions about the guest blogging activity? Are you all getting it up to here, whatever we have discussed?
In this blogging website, is there any condition the website have some good
There are criteria. We will get into those details. Okay. So at the top level, just remember some of these activities. Why do they do and all? We are going to discuss them as well. Okay. So people, so you're all following it, right, guys? Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. No questions, right?
Yes.
No questions up to here. Okay. So, so one of the common activity in the off page is guest blogging. And few other business owners, let's assume all of you own a website. Now you will start asking other people to provide link to your website. And some of you already know why you need links from other websites to your website. Okay. And develop great content that can be naturally picked up by many other writers, influencers, and others in the content they develop. So now let's say you will write a very detailed research report on your website, right? So it can be about any topic, and now people are researching for that information. If they find your website, they might cite your website. See, they must be writing something about that, about something like that, and they will cite your website. They will add your website as a reference. They will write, "I have referred so and so person's website." In their article, they will add a link pointing to your article, pointing to your website. Okay. Social bookmarking. See, how many of you here know the term bookmarking? What is bookmarking? You all have heard of the term bookmarking.
Generally, we are in even Google Chrome also it's have a
Bookmark. What is that bookmarking?
So it's easy to recall.
So you will add it for a quick reference. Later you want to go through it. You will add a quick reference link for that resource, right?
Yeah.
Same way there are social bookmarking websites, some websites where you can bookmark it and you can read that information later, right? Dig, Delicious, Reddit, heard of this website, Reddit?
Yeah.
Dig, D-I-G-G, Dig, which is that second thing I told? Delicious, Reddit. Okay. So these are social bookmarking sites. So we are going to discuss, are they going to be really useful or not also. Okay. Commenting on the blog post. See, social bookmarking, what you do is you will make your presence so that you are hoping that somebody else will bookmark your website and visit your website. Commenting on the blogs or articles. See, now this article is there. People might come and leave their comment. There is no commenting here.
So is it negative if people do the comment with URL links?
No, it's not negative. I'll tell you. I'll tell you why they were doing those activities. See, when we start discussing objectives, then we will start eliminating out of all these activities which are relevant in this current generation, which are most useful, which one should be avoided, which other new activities to be prioritized. We are going to discuss them. Okay. See, people who are doing all these activities were hoping bot will visit their website from these external websites. The simple understanding, the simple expectation from digital marketers was to bot has to visit their website through other websites. They will make presence on multiple websites. Now what will they do? They go to YouTube videos and they will comment on the YouTube videos and leave a link, refer to this article or refer to this video. Okay. So will that really help or not? We are going to discuss that as well. Social bookmarking, same thing. Commenting on the blogs or articles or on YouTube videos. Activities on the forums such as Quora. People speak about Quora, which is the best training institute in Bangalore for data science. They will write so and so institute, right? Sometimes they might put a link, sometimes they will not put a link. They don't have clarity why are they doing that activity for few marketers at least. Directory submission, Suleka, Just Dial,
Yeah.
India Mart.
Okay.
There are many such directories. These are popular. That's all. Some very well known. Vello Pages, Suleka, Just Dial, India Mart, Trade India. There are hundreds of directories, not only few. Profile creation. You can create your profile on some websites. Like how you create on Facebook and Instagram. There are hundreds of websites where you can create a profile for your business or for your website. And from there, people can visit your website if they are browsing on those websites. And author bios and more. Author bios is something like this.
So there is
So
also
if you become a guest author, in from your author bio, there could be a link. Okay, so and so person, he belongs to so and so company, and link out to your website also. Yeah, Hari, please tell me. What's your question?
after bio, it's like an bookmarking option. Is there any specific website?
No, 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 no. Guest post you will become a guest author, and
Uh,
on those sites they accept speaking about you as well, right? Who wrote this article? They will say so and so person, and that's the guest author, author bios and more. There will be a separate page also. He's author on our portal. Separate page indicating your author and links to your website. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically an activity performed in order to get sales from other people's efforts. They will speak about your business and they will get sale for your business and you're going to pay commission for them. Image submissions like Pinterest, Image Guru, there are many websites where you can submit images and link to your website back. Okay. Video submissions, there are presentations, PPT submission websites, video submission is YouTube, but there are many other video submission websites. Not video, image submission websites, presentation submission websites, share, what is that? There are some websites, I don't remember them, I'll tell you, but I would have mentioned it properly, probably here. So people submit some information on other websites and they link back to their websites from those websites. People link back to their websites from those websites. So they're just using that opportunity of making a presence on those websites with the help of video, with the help of image, like a detailed post. They'll take a topic and they'll tell, I will write. See, somebody might approach you. One of you can approach now this website, Canada Digital. I will write the do's and don'ts in digital marketing or how to learn digital marketing from scratch. I might say, okay, contribute, right? Now here, you would drop a link to your website somewhere like this. Maybe here, let me show it to you in case if there are any links here. We haven't linked. See, website recently it was migrated. The images all have gone away. Okay, and list your website on local directories. There will be directories, HSR directory, or maybe a directory will be something like all a directory for all digital marketers, a directory for all HRs, or maybe a directory for all manufacturers, local directories. There also you can make a presence and you can link back to your website. List your, but why we are linking back, we will discuss it. And just at a top level, just briefing what people do. Even they don't know why are they listing on the local directories. And they are expecting, see, they are listing on local directories and they are expecting bot to crawl their website. They are doing profile creation or affiliate marketing or image submissions or video submissions or directory submissions, and they are expecting bot to visit their website and crawl their website effectively, but which is not going to happen.
So in case even though you have the image submission,
They comment it on YouTube and they expect bot to visit their bot visiting their website and crawling their website, which will not happen. They go and put a link on Quora, they will write. So 90% of the content, do you all know that 90% of the content on the Quora is all written by the businesses themselves or promotional contents.
yeah.
It's not genuinely written to provide information to you. Like you go and search best digital marketing institutes in Bangalore, some companies would have written and in the disguise of somebody else.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, it's something like Canada Digital only will go. We haven't done it. Canada Digital only will go and put some name, some random name, some pseudonym. It says, yeah, I have inquired with 10 different institutes and I found of all this. This is very good. I registered with them. Something like that story.
Yeah.
And even in fact, whatever you see. So what should so my salary? You must have quite often seen these kinds of posts. My salary is 50 lakhs per annum. Is it a good package for me in a Bangalore lifestyle? My mother-in-law is scolding me, my father-in-law is scolding me, or something else. And what you suggest, I am planning to travel so and so country. What are the do's and don'ts? Something or the other. See, these are also are done by influencers. They want to build a profile. They'll only ask the questions. They'll only answer it from some other, right? All these are like generated intentionally marketing, like to build their portfolio or the profile. They are generating that content. It's not that. Are you any of you? Can you tell me here? There are 10 people here now. Are anybody really writing regularly on Quora?
Yeah, we are.
As a business, you must be making presence.
Yeah,
But forget about business.
no,
Will you go and answer for answers like questions like how to prepare a chapati?
no, we don't have time.
See, you are making your presence only with
As from a
the
business point of view.
from business point of view. From you are a business owner, Hari.
Yeah.
So you will go and make the presence. Obviously, you will write Tamil Nadu state
Yeah, writing
police
15 to
exam.
16
Or,
articles.
see, you are generating so much content for Quora, and even see at least yours is directly visible. That's a business promotional content. Few people are writing. My mother-in-law is scolding me. What should I do? Few people will write. My husband is not speaking well to me. Why will somebody come and put their and I am not telling that 100% is fake. That see now some people think okay I can also share my personal things on the Quora, and innocent people go and write all the stories and everything on Quora. Some percentage, and few other people think okay these kinds of stories has very good traction. They're all fictional. A lot of them are fictional. You all know right what is fictional? Fictional stories. They are not real. They are created, narrated by the based on their creativities, right? List your website on Google Business, Google Business Profile. See, they are doing all these activities and they are expecting their SEO to progress, which may not happen from some of the activities, and some of the activities might help. We will discuss that on the go. Okay. Up to here, is it clear, everybody, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, and some other people get a press release done. Press release. What is this press release? At one go, they will print it all public, get an article published under 30, the best entrepreneur under 30, and they will print this on 100 newspapers at a time. They are all not credible news channel, newspapers or news websites. Some random websites. Articles, they call it as themselves as news portals or press release websites, or they are usually called as directories only. Okay, and at one go, some 50 or 50 websites, 500 websites, 200 websites, they will publish about you as an individual or as a business, and they will link back to your business, or they may not link back. Okay, find popular and credible websites and buy a banner space and promote your business in that slot. Where is that? Yeah, banner space and promote your business in the slot. Make influencers speak about your business. They would either tweet about your business, write a post on their personal profiles or websites, or speak about your business on the forums or any other social media platforms. Let's say one of your friend is influencer on Quora. He or she has lots of followers. You might ask them to speak about your business and link back to your business. And now these people don't have to be your friends, can be any random people also. You will just find whomsoever has good followers, and you would get a link, make them speak about your business. Okay, and you will also start speaking about your business on all social media platforms. You will create a profile and you will start speaking about social media platforms. At least last point you are clear. This is not going to get bought. Visit your website. See now, what's happening is, if you are intending to make bot visit your website, 90% of the activities here are not useful. But still, people are just doing everything, and that doesn't mean you should not be doing all of them. They are all done for different reasons or for different purposes. Are you all getting it?
Yeah.
Are you all getting it? See now, it's a bit difficult for you all to relate But if you were already if you had already worked as a digital marketer or been through the working process of these activities, you will be able to connect very easily. You will probably scold your manager now, boss, why are you making to do all of these things when you want progress on SEO? You are expecting a keyword to make a progress. You are expecting bot to visit a progress, and there is the what is the point of me going and speaking to the influencers and onboarding them to speak about the business? What is the point of me listing your business in all local directories? That's not bad. It's done for a different purpose. Okay, we are going to discuss those objectives and goals. But people who are doing all these activities, their only objectives or goal most of the times is to get a backlink to their website. And some other, they don't know. They just think these activities are going to help them to scale up their business, improve their business, but they don't know how that is going to help or scale up their business also. We'll discuss that. Okay. So now to understand all of these activities better, let us split it down. See, off-page activities are done for multiple reasons. One is to generate leads. One is to improve your brand value. One is to improve your conversion, and one is to invite bot to your website. So for SEO professionals of all this, the major responsibility is to invite bot to the website. Inviting bot to your website is super important. Why is that important? Because if you are inviting bot is coming to your website and crawling a lot of pages on your website during its every visit. And when it crawls, it starts indexing them, it starts showing them on the Google. If you are not reading a chapter from textbook, and if there are any questions pertaining to the chapter, will you be able to answer to the questions?
No.
You won't be able to, correct?
Yeah.
So same is the case here. If Googlebot is not reading your website, it cannot show your website on Google search results. Sometimes it might crawl your web page very few number of times, but it's not sufficient for it to remember your website and show up your website on the Google when the competition is very high. So when competition is very high, bot may have to crawl your website more number of times. Everybody, are you all understanding it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now coming back, I told one of the main objective is, first one is building backlinks to the website. I'll just say, if your objective of an off-page SEO is to build backlinks, you should prefer doing some of the activities that I suggest. Even before you start building backlinks, you have to make a note of the following, and also don't forget to go through this amazing article about, okay, leave it. Backlinks are built to your website from other websites. What are these backlinks? Backlinks are basically hyperlinks pointing to your website. Hyperlinks published on external websites, other websites which are pointing to your website. These are called as backlinks. And now in this backlinks, there are two types: do follow and no follow. I'll show it to you that one as well. Okay, so I'll show you what is a backlink. You all see the screen, right? Now look at this. So if I click on this, this is taking me to Facebook. If I click on this, this is taking me to Instagram. These are all backlinks to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, to respective websites. These are all backlinks. And this is also backlink to Cantra Digital. Designed, developed, and marketing by Cantra Digital. This is also backlink to Cantra Digital websites. Correct? But now these are of two different types. What is the difference? I'll tell you. See, we all real users can click on this and we can go to those websites, correct? And as a real user, I can click on it and I'll be taken to the respective pages or the websites, correct? Correct. As a real user, I can visit these websites, but bot will not visit in some cases. So for example, bot can visit this website, but bot cannot visit these websites. Why is that so? Because these are no follow backlinks. Both are backlinks, but backlinks are of two types: no follow and do follow. No follow is an instruction in the hyperlink. You are telling that bot, please do not crawl the destination website. This is only for real users. Real users can click on it and can go to the destination website. But to the bot, stuff is starting here. Before that, there can be some attributes added, some commands and instructions can be added. Look at this. Rel equal to no follow. Rel equal to no follow says bot boss hold back. This is not for you. Do not go to the destination website facebook.com/learn and thrive.
You will instruct to the Google Bot.
Yes. This one command, this attribute, this is called as an attribute. Rel equal to no follow says bot please don't go to the destination website. Right? Did you all get that? And now if this rel equal to follow, it's an instruction to bot that you can see bots can easily visit those destination websites. If even this is not at all there, sometimes this won't be there at all. This will be not there at all. Even in that case, it's considered to be as do follow backlink. Okay. If it is there as follow, it's a do follow backlink. If that is not at all there, still it's a do follow backlink. Correct? If I'm keeping quiet, it means yes. If I'm saying yes, it's yes. If I don't need it only, I'll be telling no. Correct? Same way, no follow is also only when you tell no, that's when it's no. If you're keeping quiet, still there are good chances that you are accepting it. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct. If I ask you who is ready to give me, can one of you give me 1 crore rupee? Will you keep quiet for that? You'll say no, I'll not. If I say, so after end of this class, there are good chances that I will give 1 crore to all of you. You might say yes, give it, or you might keep quiet. Keep quiet is still I am ready to accept.
Keep quiet.
So if it is something that's, if let's assume so, so if you are by end of this class, whomsoever are completing this class, there will be a case filed on all of them because of some violation of internet policies and what do you call that as? The crime departments are going to file a case on you, and if you have clicked on any of the link from here, you will say no, I have not filed it. I have not clicked on it. Immediately you are going to respond because you sense the danger there.
Yeah.
Correct. So now in this case there is no danger keeping it blank or telling it follow. But when it is danger, that's when you will see, when you don't want bot to be visiting those destination websites, that's when you tell rel equal to no follow. See, I have removed it and this red mark is gone. Did you all observe that? See, this red mark is not showing on all the websites by itself. I have installed an extension for Chrome no follow. So Chrome extensions are there, right? So you can install a Chrome extension automatically. So now if I am visiting this website from other browser, Chrome extension is installed in this browser. That's why it's showing all the rel equal to no follow marked in red. If I'm visiting in this browser, it doesn't show extension. You just follow no follow marker. Follow no follow marker. So now you will not see red mark here anywhere. See, do you see red mark here?
No.
Because in this browser I haven't installed any extensions, manage extensions. See, I have installed Grammarly extension, I have installed WAP Analyzer, correct, WAP Analyzer. Okay, you can install one of the extensions called rel equal to follow no follow marker. So if it is no follow, it marks in red dots or in dots, and if it is do follow, it doesn't show anything, right? So that's what is happening here.
So do follow means will be
We don't mark. This is do follow. This is do follow. Inspect. This is do follow. There is no rel equal to no follow implemented here. Let's see if I can add. I'll add rel equal to no follow. Close this and automatically you will see. See, look at this. Everybody give me 1 second. You see that I made it rel equal to no follow and it's showing in red dots. I will reload this page. Now this will become in dot, this will go away. So basically I have installed a plugin or an extension, Chrome extension to indicate which is follow and which is no follow. Okay. So now your main goal should be to build rel equal to follow, do follow links.
Yeah.
If you are building these kinds of links, it's of no use. Correct?
If in case the we are not give the instruction to the no follow means we consider as a do
Do
follow.
follow, correct.
So the Google part it takes it's less scrolling only it will be taking over second because
I did not get your question. So Google bot, see this is just telling that bot can go to this destination website and bot cannot go to this destination website. That's
so
all.
if the bot going to the destination website means it's waste of time only, right?
Waste of time for me.
For bot. So it
No,
would
no, no.
be
Think of this
for
way. Now think of this way. Cantra Digital want bot to be visiting their website, and Cantra Digital has requested this company Learn and Thrive that we are going to link back to Cantra Digital, and Learn and Thrive has accepted it. So digital website gets crawled more number of times. One time from this website, and Cantra Digital will also get crawled from this website. See, on this website is also designed and developed by Cantra Digital. So hence there will be a link pointing to Cantra Digital. You see that? So now bot is coming from this website, bot is coming from this website, and bot is also coming from this website.
So it's uh,
So
clear
bot
advantage.
now crawl the how frequently bot is visiting. Now bot is on this website in the morning. Which website? On this website in the morning. Bot has visited. Bot is reading this web page, and while it is reading, it has come across this link and it has visited to Cantra Digital. It's not redirected. One of it's like water stream. A river will be flowing, and down the stream there will be five different paths, and river will not flow into one stream, right? It just splits. Correct. Same way now, some of the bot energy will just split, and bot continues to go through this other links and keep crawling other web pages also.
No.
Okay. So now bot has visited morning from this link to Canada Digital website one time, and bot again afternoon has seen this link from Global Trans and has visited Canada Digital website once again. And bot so now for me, I would have never expected bot visiting my website like this. Just because we have placed a link on various other websites, now bot is visiting our websites from all of these websites.
Oh. So actually, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
It's a generic doubt only. If you are putting the Canva digital link and the footer means, sometimes if I'm searching to the do follow link, how many do follow links will be there? So totally it's 100 pages is the in that website means the link it will be considered as 100 links or otherwise it will
100 links only.
is it advantage or disadvantage?
There is no problem with it.
No advantage and no disadvantage.
There is an advantage obviously.
No.
See, obviously, for me getting money from you, I'm getting money from 10 other people. Everybody are giving money to me. Fine. Now you are telling that I will give money to me thrice or four times. If you are ready to pay four times the fee, will I say no to it? Is that a disadvantage?
No, it's advantage. So footer always footer is a best for
It's not like best and all. So there is a saying in the community that so Googlebot would not still visit your website, but it visits. You can read this data on Search Console. I'll show it to you on the Search Console. We don't do any kind of marketing for our websites, but still I'll show it to you. Let's take this website, Cantra Digital. That's Cantra Digital here. You can see from which all websites bot is visiting your website. It reports both do follow and no follow. Whatever it has seen bot. See, bot might visit, but it doesn't consider crawling those destination websites. Or it just reports the data. Links, look at this.
it might be
Yeah, I'll show it to you. Top linking sites. More.
so in footer you can
See, now look at this. Learn and Thrive has given 8,225 links because it's there on all 8,000 pages at the bottom. If you see, it's there on all the this page also. It's there. You go to the home page. It's there on the home page as well. You go to About Us page. It's there on the About Us page as well.
okay.
You go to any page and it's there from every page. It's adding its value.
Consider as
See, Global Trans already 11 links,
uh,
right? See, many of them that you see here are our clients, and there are links from those websites to our website. So this Nakul Reddy is not our client, and I'll show you how they would have linked. Probably they must be referring to one of our best digital marketing companies in HSR layout. See, he has written an article, best digital marketing companies in HSR layout, and he has linked. Oh, this page is not there now. Earlier he has written, and he has. We are one of the digital marketing company in HSR, right? Right. That's why he is pointing to our article. We did not ask him to write about us. They only have written.
In case, yeah, in this scenario,
Yeah.
the person they are giving our link, right?
Yeah.
So if in case the website have a spam score or something, it will be negative.
I'll tell you. There will be negatives also. I'll tell you. So now I'll tell you how these people see. Even these people, for this person also, we did not ask to link to Cantra Digital, but they only have linked naturally digital marketing company. Okay, this is 2020. Okay, okay. Now this one they must have intentionally built. Our team must have built this. It's something like this. So if you're doing friendship with good person, you will get some good qualities. If you're doing friendship with bad person, there are chances of you getting the bad qualities, and but that is not guaranteed that you always get the bad qualities also. But good person, either you could get or you would remain as you are. Correct. The chances of you getting impacted are less, even in case if you're not getting anything. But negative thing, if see over there, if you by chance adapt their qualities, it's good thing for you. If in the when you are doing friendship with the negative people, wrong people, if you are adapting their practices, there is a severe impact, right? So same way, see, anybody can pick. See, now I might pick and speak about one of the websites, like people you only might speak about IRCTC or maybe about Flipkart, but your website is not that great in the sense there won't be any problem. But if your website is prone to spam attacks is if your website is being hit constantly by the spam bots. See, your website is on the internet, and any bot, anybody can hit your website. If Google bot is crawling your website, don't you think Bing bot or Yahoo bot will visit you? Will not visit your website? Yahoo and Bing bots also will visit your website.
Okay.
There are hundreds of bots on the internet always trying to scrape some information or content. If you have put a hoarding in the street, this is my shop, will you expect only people who purchase to see your board? Anybody walking in the street will see, correct? And is that only few people will be walking on the street? Hundreds of people will be walking the street, right? Same way on the internet, there are hundreds of different kinds of bots exploring the internet, and any bot might visit your website. So the problem is here not about bot visiting your website. If they are the wrong bots, if they are constantly hitting your server and taking up most of your server's bandwidth, you can simultaneously speak to three people. But if all this wrong bots, see, now let's assume Google bot is coming and interacting with your website, and your website is responding to Google bot. Okay, take the copy to your server, take this copy, take this copy. It's responding to Google bot. Now, when Google bot has visited your website, and if your website is busy serving some other bot, take a copy, okay, read, explore. Your bot is basically busy, and it says, I am busy to Google bot. You are not supposed to tell busy to important person, right? Prime Minister has come to meet you and you are telling, I am busy. I am busy speaking to one of my friend, I'll meet you later. Will you do that to a Prime Minister? See, for you, Google bot is that important. And now you are unnecessarily engaged with a crowd who are of no use at all to you, right? So what will you do immediately? You will avoid that. If you are a smart person, if you are understanding how to respect such a credible person, you will try to avoid this crowd. Or it's not about avoiding or creating any negativity or shouting down them, scolding on them, or abandoning them. You will just tell them, boss, wait, somebody important person has come, let us all of them go. You might take your friends also, correct? So same way, Google bot becomes super important for you if you are expecting your website to rank on Google, correct?
No.
Now when random bots are visiting, but here when it comes to search engine optimization, you are not that soft as you were to your friends. You'll be very curt. You will straight away disavow those links. Disavow means you are telling to Google, telling to uh,
You,
yeah, disavow. Sorry, you are straight away putting a robots.txt and you are
you
blocking blocking those bots visiting your website.
mm-hmm.
In robots.txt, we have discussed robots.txt. Some of you might have missed those classes. So anyways, we will go through all of them. Robots.txt is basically a .txt file which will comprise instructions to the bots, which pages to be crawled, which pages not to be crawled, and also which kind of bot is allowed to visit our website and which kind of bot is not allowed to visit our website. Okay, so now you are expecting, see, this sum is done for a different reason. Along with Google bot visiting your website from IRCTC, there will be various kinds of other bots visiting your website. Google bot is visiting from IRCTC when you build a link from IRCTC. Or let me take this example. See, in this scenario, we have built a link from this website. Google bot, when it is visiting, let's say Google bot has visited this website morning and reading this web page, it found a link to our page and it's visiting our web page.
Yeah.
Now, after 2 hours, some random hundreds of bots are visiting,
Mm-hmm.
and they are also visiting your website. They are engaging your server. Your server will crash if you have limited bandwidth. See, if you have massive bandwidth, that's not a problem. So, Flipkart, Amazon, all these companies with massive server bandwidths will not have any kind of problem. Even all the internet bots visit their website at one time. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
There is no problem. See, if you are scammed and if your money is theft, let's say you have only 1 lakh and you are scammed and your money is theft, you will be into a deep problem.
Yeah.
And now, same scenario, you are scammed and 10 lakhs of your money has been theft. And till if you are not in problem, that indicates you have millions of crores with you. And you losing 10 lakhs is nothing at all for you.
Yeah.
Correct?
Correct.
Right? Same is the case here. Now people think, okay, so why is that they are not disavowing, they are not blocking all the bots in robots.txt? Why are they still doing good?
So we can block the bots for the Yahoo.
Yes.
So we can block, or otherwise we can instruct to
Crawl
come
only,
later.
not instruct to come later.
Uh,
We can instruct to crawl only specific set of pages on your website. I don't want all, your website will have 10,000 web pages
mm-hmm.
for different reasons. I don't want bot to be wasting its energy on 10,000 pages. I want bot to be completely focusing its energy on 100 pages, and this 100 pages will perform very well.
Mm-hmm.
This 100 pages will get 90% of the business. But on your website, what have you done? You have created a profile for student. You have created a new page for some reviews. You have created a new page for random things. What happens now? Bot doesn't know which is important and which is not important. It simply wastes its energy into everything.
Correct.
Correct?
Yeah.
So now this is one of the super important implementation in SEO, and we handle it very effectively for our clients. And this being the reason for clients, we assure is a very good progress. See, sometimes without doing much, just taking care of these kinds of implementations, like how do we handle wastage of bot energy, how do we handle effective use of bot energy. Well, see, now this 100 pages has very high potential. I'm diverting all bot energy to 100 pages, and this 100 pages has very high potential. They can probably drive 10,000 visitors every day for each page. 10,000 visitors into 100, how much it's going to be? At least 1 million visitors every day. Now you are distributing this energy evenly to everything. It's something like this. So when you have, it's something like this that even teachers do that. If student is not studying well, they put more effort. If they're already doing good, they'll put less effort. The same applies for the bot energy as well. Passing the bot energy to different pages should have that kind of approach. Are you all getting it, guys? Everybody? Anybody has questions, doubts? Okay, so we have discussed there are two types of backlinks, and if your main goal is to invite bot to your website, you have to build a do follow backlink and not no follow backlink. So you can read here how crawl stats improve your keyword rankings. So we all know that if you improve the crawl stats, bot reads more pages more often, and they all show up on the Google. It's simple. Your website will start ranking on Google for many keywords, and already ranking keywords will improve their position further. Already ranking keywords will improve their position further. You should start doing the following if your main objective is to get a do follow backlink. You should start doing the following if your main objective is to get a do follow backlink. Stop commenting on the blogs, which will never help in improving the crawl frequency of your website, especially when there are no follow links. See, internet has evolved a lot. Internet has evolved a lot. I'll give you a simple example. So let's say, uh, let's take it this example. So this is summer, correct? And you will see a lot of people selling tender coconuts,
Mm.
correct?
Correct.
And will you see the same amount of tender coconuts sellers during winter?
No.
It will drop.
Yeah. See,
They are clear that during summer people buy it, and I have to make my presence during summer, and during non-summer I'll not make that much money. It's waste of my time just to sell five coconuts, five tender coconuts, or 10 tender coconuts. I should not be investing so much of my energy, and they will drop off.
correct.
Correct? And during summer, they realize, okay, hundreds of people buy every few hours, so I have to make my presence, right?
Mm.
See, now coming back to this activity, commenting on the blogs, back to a decade or even before that, when internet was its initial stages, people did not had much understanding about do follow, no follow.
Mm.
Everything by default used to be do follow.
Mm.
Later, eventually, when people realized that bot is going out from my website, it's not going out. Some of its energy is being spent. You all remember, right? Bot visits your website with some bandwidth, with some energy, either in terms of time or in terms of data.
Mm.
Now, if some of the time or some of the data is allocated to some other websites, on your website the number of pages getting crawled will come down. So everybody started making it no follow by default.
Mm.
Quora made it no follow, many directories made it no follow, many websites, everybody started making no follow.
So in recent days only for make it for the no follow, right?
Not recently, it's been long time. Long time, but 90% of the websites on the internet back to a decade or previous to that by default were no follow. Everybody eventually realized no follow links have to be stopped. Why should I waste? Why should I waste some of my energy on other websites? I don't want to spend my energy to other websites.
Mm.
So they stopped by default. See, they did not stop accepting comments. They did not stop accepting posts. They just made it by default no follow.
No.
Now, people 10 years back who were doing commenting on the blog post or directory submissions, they don't know they have become no follow. They must be working very well back to a decade. They
Yeah.
are blindly still doing it. It's something like this. Everybody, tender coconut sellers, they take their stalls just because the summer has gone. And you dumb fellow, you will never realize that why I'm selling tender coconuts.
Mm.
I'm simply selling tender coconuts. During summer, I have seen a lot of money coming in, and later I never realized. I still continue to sell. I'm not even understanding if how many tender coconuts I'm selling. I'm simply sitting at the stall and wasting the time.
It's time and
See,
money.
now, same way, 90% of the digital marketers still do a lot of these stupid activities. It's
Mm.
complete nonsense. It's of no use at all. Why should you be doing when it is of no use?
Correct. It's a waste of time.
Correct? But unfortunately, a lot of them doesn't know this.
Mm.
Unfortunately, a lot of them doesn't know this.
Mm.
Their seniors must have told them, okay, do Web 2.0. There is something called as Web 2.0 submission. It's nothing but simply they will keep pushing their links on every website they come across.
Mm.
Directories, bookmarking websites, right? There are so many websites on the internet. They don't realize which is giving a do follow backlink and which is giving a no follow
First,
backlink.
we want to identify the which is
Correct. It's something like it's investing in stocks wisely. You will invest in every stock, no, right? You will decide which is going to give more returns,
More
and you will
returns,
invest your money or energy in those things, right?
Yeah.
Same way now on internet, you should not be making your presence everywhere, especially when you are looking for only backlinks. Do follow backlinks.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So now you can check it by yourself by right clicking and inspect or install this plugin and see if it is showing do follow or no follow. We don't have that extension here. It's not showing. Or what is this? Okay, these are all do follow only. That's why it's not marking in red. Okay. So if you check on this website, you would have marked them in the red. See, these are all still do follow backlinks. So now by default, website developers will make them do follow only. Pointing to this, we digital marketers tell boss, why are you spending so much energy on these social media pages? Let's stop it. Is it clear up to here, guys? The first objective. Okay. So if your first objective is to get a do follow backlink, understand what is do follow link and what is no follow link, and do the activities which will give you only do follow backlinks. Second objective, few people wants referral traffic to be coming to the website. See, for me, if I am making a presence on a relevant websites, let's say there is a forum or a community about digital marketers. So I want people who, so let's say this is a forum or a place where people are looking for digital marketers. Or maybe let's take this website called Clutch, CLUTCH. Say digital marketing agencies in Chicago. Look at this. See, if I am making a presence on these kinds of portals, I will get a lot of relevant quality traffic to my website. This will not give you a do follow backlink. I don't know where is the link here. Yeah, visit website. All these are no follow backlinks, not do follow. Visit website, visit website. You see all the red dots. But then now, still I will do activity here. My main objective is to drive relevant quality traffic to my website. And in this case, I can do that activity. See, thing is, you would still end up doing a lot of above activities, but you will be able to prioritize which one to be done when, and which one to be done first, which one to be low prioritized. On understanding this, see this activity just because it is no follow, do no follow. I'm not going to deprioritize this because this is going to give me a very high quality. Contra Digital is providing web design, web development, UI UX designing services, content writing services, SEO services, digital marketing services, app developments, website developments. So I can list all of the services and I can expect a lot of business coming from these websites. If anybody is visiting my website from here, they'll definitely explore the website and place a lead. Correct?
Yeah.
I should not stop making presence on these kinds of websites, though they are no follow links to the website. Here it's not about the link, here it's about making the presence itself adds value. Like making presence on Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato would get the main goal over there is to get the business, not a backlink. Correct? Right. Your second objective is also clear. The second objective is to get a referral, quality referral traffic or leads. Third objective, drive leads or sales. See, second objective is to get the traffic may not necessarily be these kinds of websites. It can be simply websites which are being explored by business owners. Like somebody is reading business forums, business websites will be there. On those websites, as a business, you can make presence and you will simply get referral traffic coming to your website. Not like people who are desperately looking for businesses. See, on this website, making presence on these websites will get lead. Making presence on such blog sites or maybe some other websites where your relevant audience exists would get only referral traffic. But making presence on these kinds of websites would get leads as well. The third objective is to drive leads or sales. Something like this. And another thing is affiliate marketing as well. Affiliate marketing happens same thing, but if somebody is coming from here to your website and if they purchases on your website, you are paying commission to this website. That is affiliate marketing. That's all. Okay. So affiliate marketing, if you want other people to be speaking about you, there are many websites like Share a Sale, Share the Deal. They all will on these platforms. You can register tell that if you get a sale for my this product, I will pay 10% commission, 5% commission. So a lot of people will pick and they will start promoting your business or products. You can also pick any link from Amazon affiliate program, and you can pick any product on Amazon and you can promote it on your website. And when somebody see, we have done that. I'll show it to you. Wait. What is that? Training purpose, we have created this profile. Okay, it shows you. We will have a separate discussion about this affiliate marketing. Okay, all your marketing knowledge is going to see from Kandra Foods website. There are 5 people sent on this date to Amazon website, but did not make any rupee. You see, fees and bounties zero, because they came from that website to Amazon, but they did not purchase fridge from refrigerator from Amazon. So Kandra Foods will be getting money only when these people purchase, but not for visiting the website. In last 30 days, 30 people were sent to Amazon from Kandra Foods, but you did not get a single rupee. Why? Because they are not purchasing it.
They will see and then go to the other product.
Yeah. So now this activity you see here. Now initially back to several years, even this was giving a backlink. So, but also benefited a backlink. I don't know if this is a do follow link or follow link. If it is a do follow link, so much of bot energy will be going to Amazon website. So button.
But we need to let you know.
Usually this will be no follow only. See, there is so much tracking pixel getting added when you add it. They have to track, right? They have to attribute the sale to Katra Foods by alt. I don't think this is a no follow. This seems to be like a do follow. I'll simply rely on this plugin now. It is showing in the red. No, it's not showing in the red. So bot energy is getting, bot is visiting Amazon website from this website.
So do follow link is.
It's a do follow backlink to Amazon. See, now this is the one. Now we can tell to our developers, boss, by default whenever a link is pasted like this, make it
So we can
no follow. By default, you don't have to write rel equal to no follow every time. In the HTML only, they will take care of it. Automatically, that will be. It can be coded in such a way, if there is any link on my website, apart from link to my website, make them all no follow.
No.
Yeah. The other objective is this is done, this is done. Online reputation management. Fifth object, there are 7 objectives here. Help users your content to get shared across internet. So, online reputation management. What is this online reputation management? What is reputation?
We will use some.
Anybody here? What is reputation?
Once the people purchasing one product, if the product will be quality means they will be again
That's a feedback.
come and purchase the same.
That's repetitive customers.
This
If they're coming back and purchasing with you again,
Same.
they're called as repetitive customers. What is repetition? Repetition is different. Repetition is you will repeat the same process again. Reputation is different. Reputation. This is
Sir,
reputation.
opinion of the people, sir.
Sorry?
Opinion of a people on a respect person or a product.
Correct. The perception or opinion about your business or a product or service or about yourself. The kind of opinion that they make about you is reputation. Reputation can be negative or positive. He is very bad. That's a bad reputation. He is amazing. He's a great person. She is good. He's good. That business is amazing. They are doing very. They're helping. So all these positive things are Positive reputations. Reputation can be positive or negative. On internet, there can be talks about your business either positive or negative. Correct? So if it is positive, nobody will come and speak. Right? So for example, in this training batch, you all are going through the classes. Right? Let's assume you all are okay or happy with the training sessions. Will you go and for forward? One second. Okay. So will you go and proactively register, leave a review for Cantra Digital? No, you will not.
Correct.
But if you are disappointed,
Surely you will go and
you will go and write a negative review.
yeah.
So .in is not available, and .net is also available, but it's too expensive, like .com. .pro is available. It's good for the real estate business. .pro.
No, no, no. Don't go with .pro. .pro is for professionals. If you are a doctor,
Yeah.
if you are a lawyer, if you are a consultant,
Yeah.
.pro indicates professional, and now it's made available to everybody. Previously, it was not available to everybody. You need to provide some certificate. There was a process, and even in some countries, say Middle East, .qa indicates Qatar. Countries from respective countries, there is some paperwork to be done. That's when you will get the respective domain names. So now don't go with .pro. .net is also, if that is also not available, my suggestion is try to alter your name by adding some alphabets at the front or last and go with .com or .in.
Okay, sir. Sir, is the domain name help to improve the website traffic and SEO ranking?
Domain name plays minimal role. You just think of, is that catchy or easy to remember or not? Is that conveying what is your business about? So there was a scenario once. The domain name was babydiapers.com. Babydiapers.com. And they were selling everything that maternity and baby products. People will think baby diapers is all about diapers, correct?
Yeah.
Correct. And I will put spicymasalapowders.com and I'll start selling digital marketing training or digital marketing services. So do not make sure that the name indicates your business. Okay. Excuse me. Correct.
Yeah.
So just try to alter it slightly and try to find. See, you cannot find short names uh, because all short names are that there is a big business. See,
Yes.
for example, I bought a domain. You all have heard of this domain, like plants nutrients. I
Yeah.
showed you all earlier.
Yeah.
See, I wanted to. People were asking me something about buying and selling the domains. So I never had any kind of exposure or experience. I have put that on sale for $5,000 now. See, I must have bought that at just ₹1,000. See, what people do is people are into business. They will buy the catchy names and they will put it for sale. See, now you are desperate. You are desperate to take up that name because that's representing your company. You have already registered. Everything is done. What will you do? You don't mind spending some $1,000, $2,000. I know a person who has spent 3 lakh rupees to purchase a domain. A lot of people are spending 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. That's why you will see some domains as 40, 50 lakhs. See, to maintain this domain for the next 10 years, the cost incurred for him is 10,000 to 20,000. And in 10 years of time, if by any chance, if somebody buys it at 20 lakhs, the capital or investment for the same is just 20,000 for 10 years or for 20 years. And the money that you made is 20 lakhs. But that's again a probability case. You may have to continue to wait. It's like lottery. You might get or may not get. Here, yeah, correct. You just try it out later. Maybe we can connect offline. You just ping me the finalized domain names, or I might also can suggest you if you think that I can help
Yes.
you with that. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will join offline class
Yeah.
from Monday
Yeah.
because I'm joining online because I'm not on one from last few days.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Fine then. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So if no one has any questions, we'll connect back tomorrow. If you have questions, please go ahead and ask.
Sir, tomorrow is Saturday. Do we have class?
Oh no no no, we don't have class. But in the morning batch,
Uh,
but in the morning batch, people were asking that they want to come offline on Saturdays and Sundays and want to practice here on some projects. Okay, so I
what would be
told
the timings?
no no, nothing has been finalized yet. It's a collective decision from everyone. So I told one or two it's not possible. At least 70 to 80% of the learners are coming here. Then there are chances of facilitating all of that. Okay. So if just one or two wants to come and everybody else is not serious, and moreover we discussed couple of other things. So this is purely about building exposure. We are going to take a project. It could be a new project or existing project, and we will start with very free mind. Like we will all be working like business owners. We will take one business. We all might start like a business partners. So we do different kinds of activities and implementations if things are progressing, if you are making revenue. See, one thing is with all these activities, you will be definitely building a portfolio, correct? And you can showcase this portfolio to people that I have done so and so. See, I had hired a person. I'll just pause this. Okay, let it run. So I had hired a person just by seeing he was completely fresher, but he had built 50,000 followers to his page, one of his page. So by seeing that a job was offered, if you could do something that portfolio can be showcased and you can grab the job opportunities. Second thing, you will get immense amount of knowledge. Third thing, if you are making any revenue out of it, okay. So we all will function or work like business partners. If it's a project from Canara Digital, there will be some monetary benefits. These are the different options or advantages allowed or created for everyone. So this would include every single kind of activity, including the content marketing, including building the social media profiles, the followers, right? Search engine optimization, performance marketing, various kinds of things.
So tomorrow the institute will be open?
Madam, that's what. So no one has replied on the chat to
No,
Sneha's
no, no.
message.
I'm not speaking about our class or
No, no,
our
no. Institute won't be open
classmates. I'm
tomorrow.
speaking in general.
Tomorrow will be closed, madam, mostly. So here, if anybody is coming, even I have no information at this
Uh-huh.
moment. If anybody is willing to come here, just sometimes it will be open because few people prefer to come they and work here. Employees, I'm speaking about employees. They'll be coming here and working. See, if all of you wants to practice, definitely either me or other experienced person has to be here. Okay. I don't think will she be available or not tomorrow, but if everybody are coming, definitely I will come. I have no problem. Okay. So what we do is we'll take it offline